Hello, brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a drill machine from a Worx brand. And here is in front of us. Here is the package which I bought earlier and have been using it for almost 2 months. So inside the package, I bought this drill adapter separately for additional, and this is also additional. This is a universal chuck for the drill, and here is how it we install. You just press the button in here for lock and unlock, and when it is locked it will sound a click. Okay, well, now we remove the chuck, and this is the standard chuck from the Worx drill. This is the standard. And standard. This is how you install the standard chuck. Okay, now we are going to remove it. And here is the drill bit. Come with a standard drill type. The roll of the abrasive paper, the cotton fiber, and also the chuck key for tighten the chuck. Also some wax for polishing. Now we are going to review the body. Here is the body. The power button, the lock and unlock the chuck button, and here is the power level. Now I will turn it on. You can see the LED brightness, and my microphone is about 40 centimeters from the source of this body. This is the how it sound. Lower. Okay, here is the pot port hole for charging the C type. And this package also including the cable C, USB-C to USB-A, but I am not put the cable inside this box because it requires too much space. You can see the number wx106. And from my experience from using this Worx drill, the torque is quite big and enough for my job. Okay, this drill is the weightness is very tough. Seems very tough. Now we are going to measure the weight. (265 grams). Okay, looks good in hand. The rubber works very good. Not feel any slippery. So my conclusion for this drill is thumb up. It's okay. You can confidently buy this drill. Thank you for watching this video.